Welcome back to Scope 360, where we bring you honest, no-fluff reviews of firearms that matter. Today, we are diving into a rimfire category that often gets overshadowed. Everyone talks about .22 LR, but what about .22 Magnum? If you are looking for more punch, better range, and just a bit more fun behind the trigger, .22 Magnum deserves your attention. In this review, we took 5 of the most talked about .22 Magnum semi-auto pistols out to the range. We tested them in real conditions, accuracy drills, reload speed, handling and function tests. Some performed impressively, others left us scratching our heads. In the end, one of them rose above the rest as the true king of 2025. Let's break them down one by one and help you figure out which .22 Magnum pistol might be the perfect match for you. Rock Island Armory XT .22 Magnum. The Rock Island Armory Ketz T22 Magnum is one of those under-the-radar firearms that surprises you the moment you shoot it. There was no big media buzz, no flashy launch. It simply showed up, did the work, and earned its spot. Built by a manufacturer in the Philippines known for budget 1911s, the XT brings that same old-school profile and grip, but packs a modern twist under the hood. It runs on a delayed blowback system using a 2-piece barrel. Sounds complex, but in practice, it just works. The pistol ejects from the top like a Beretta 92 and features a flat top slide with a full-length Picatinny rail, giving you easy options to mount optics or lights. The trigger has a crisp break, and the slide action is smooth and consistent. We ran a couple hundred rounds through it. Not a single malfunction. Accuracy was solid, and the pistol tracked flat on follow-up shots. However, it is not the most carry-friendly option. Weighing in at over 40 ounces with a 5-inch barrel, the XT is a full-sized range gun. It is heavy, and that weight may be a turn-off for minimalists or folks looking for a compact setup. But for those who love the feel of a traditional 1911 and want that experience in .22 Magnum form, this pistol delivers. At around $599 MSRP, the Rock Island XT offers a solid mix of classic design and reliable performance for anyone who values feel and function over portability. Kel-Tec PMR30. Next up is the Kel-Tec PMR30, a pistol that looks like it stepped straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its futuristic, almost toy-like appearance may raise eyebrows, but underneath that bold design lies one of the most practical and versatile .22 Magnum pistols you can buy. The PMR30's standout feature is obvious: a 30-round magazine. That is serious capacity for a rimfire handgun. It features a 4.3-inch barrel, weighs just 14 ounces, and has an overall length of 7.9 inches. That means it is extremely lightweight and easy to carry, even when fully loaded. On the range, the PMR30 is comfortable to shoot. It has very low recoil, a responsive trigger, and bright fiber optic sights that make target acquisition fast. Its polymer construction keeps weight down, and the design balances well in the hand. It is not the most accurate pistol on the list, but its ease of use, massive magazine, and portability make it a great choice for hikers, campers, or anyone needing a lightweight backup in a survival setup. For around $495 MSRP, it is also one of the more affordable options. The PMR30 does not try to be a tactical range king. Instead, it nails the concept of a high-capacity, do-it-all utility pistol. If you want something different, practical, and fun to shoot, The Kel-Tec PMR30 is well worth a look. Walther WMP. If the PMR30 is about minimal weight and maximum capacity, the Walther WMP heads in the opposite direction. Full size, fully featured, and ready for tactical use. Introduced in 2022, the Walther Magnum pistol is a big gun with big potential. It sports a 4.5-inch barrel, a 15-round capacity, and comes optics ready with a fiber optic front sight and accessory rail underneath. But what really makes the WMP stand out is its quad release system. That is right, you get both button and paddle mag releases on both sides of the grip, making this one of the most ambidextrous .22 Magnum pistols on the market. For lefties, for tactical trainers, for anyone who wants adaptability, this is your pistol. On the range, it performs like a much larger caliber handgun. Recoil is light, follow-up shots are fast, and the trigger is clean with a defined break. The grip is pure Walther, ergonomic, snug, and well-contoured. Whether you're ringing steel, training for speed, or just enjoying rimfire fun, the WMP has you covered. It's not compact, and concealment would be a stretch. But for those who already run full-size Walthers in 9mm or Dart 40, the WMP is a natural companion piece. Priced around $549 to $599, depending on the configuration, it is not cheap, but it is definitely built to last. If you are looking for a tactical, ready rimfire pistol that feels and functions like a modern centerfire platform, the Walther WMP is hard to beat. Excel Arms MP22 Accelerator. Now for something completely different. The Excel Arms MP22 Accelerator. This pistol is a throwback to a time when precision rimfire pistols ruled range benches. And despite its rarity, the Accelerator still delivers unmatched accuracy and performance. It features an enormous 8.5-inch stainless steel bull barrel and weighs in at a hefty 54 ounces. That is over 3 pounds of steel in your hand. But the payoff is precision. The long barrel improves ballistic performance, and the pistol balances well despite its size. Thanks to a thoughtfully designed grip and frame, it feeds from a 9-round magazine and includes a Weaver-style rail for optics. A unique rear charging handle may seem odd at first, but it works exceptionally well, especially if you mount a scope or red dot. The Accelerator is no longer in production as XL Arms has ceased operations, which means you'll only find it on the secondary market. Prices can vary, but expect to pay $700 or more in good condition. For some shooters, that weight and size will be a deal breaker. But for rimfire purists and collectors who value extreme accuracy, this pistol is a sleeper hit. Whether you are bench shooting or building a serious rimfire optics rig, the MP22 Accelerator proves that big, heavy, and precise still has a place in 2025. Smith & Wesson M and T22 Magnum. And finally, we have the king, the Smith & Wesson M and 22 Magnum. This pistol brings innovation, performance, and reliability together in a package that feels as good as it shoots. What sets it apart is the new Tempo barrel system, a gas-operated, locked breech design that separates the barrel and shroud. The barrel stays locked until the bullet exits, and then gas ports near the muzzle activate 6 internal fins that cycle the action. It may sound complex, but on the range it is nothing but smooth. The M222 Magnum weighs just 22 ounces, has a 4.35-inch barrel, and comes in at 8.4 inches overall. It is slim, sleek, and features an internal hammer-fired system with a crisp, clean trigger pull. Recoil is minimal, controls are intuitive, and field stripping is easy. The black nitride finish on the stainless slide ensures long-lasting durability, even under rough outdoor conditions. And here's the kicker. It ships with 230-round polymer magazines. That is high capacity in a refined, modern format. The only real downside is that it is a full-size frame, so concealed carry might be tricky. But for just about everything else, range days, training, small game hunting, this pistol is a powerhouse. At an MSRP of $649, the M&T22 Magnum is not the cheapest rimfire on the market, but it is arguably the most advanced. Smith & Wesson took a bold step with this design, and it paid off. This is a .22 Magnum done right. So there you have it, 5.22 Magnum pistols that each bring something unique to the table. Whether you value precision, capacity, lightweight carry, or cutting-edge innovation, there is a rimfire pistol here that fits your needs. From the old-school feel of the Rock Island XT to the modern tech inside the M&T22 Magnum, this lineup shows just how far the T22 Magnum has come. Now, we want to hear from you. Which one would you pick? Have you tried any of these? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We read every single one. And if you enjoy clear, honest firearm reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to Scope 360 and turn on notifications so you never miss the next breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the range.